In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google Sheet automatically print a pre-decided configuration. So what you want to do is go to File, Download, PDF, and then you want to set up exactly what your print configuration is. So select the sheets you want to print and select the exact configuration and style, borders, margins, etc. And then what you want to do is click these three lines and go to More Tools, Developer Tools, and then you want to go to Network, this Network tab, and type PDF in the filter bar. Once you've done that, you want to click Export or download the PDF. You hit Save. Then there's a PDF here, and you want to do is click this top one where it says PDF ID equals. Right click that, copy equals, and then you select Copy Link Address. You want to paste that into one of these cells. Then you want to go to where it says Payload, so PDF ID, and then the payload one. And you want to click where it says View Source, and then it shows this View Past. And you go select it all, and you want to right click it all and copy it. Now if you go back to what we pasted in and go right to the end of the link and add an ampersand, which is an and symbol, and paste what we've just copied. And now you've just generated a link that's clickable that will download the PDF. So if you click that, it will automatically download the PDF immediately that you desire to have. And that is how you create your own configured link